Many people seem to care for their beloved pets and consider them a part of their family. However, some people do not believe in that. 64.5% of dogs, 18% of cats, and 20% of other animals are involved in animal abuse. Most reported cases for dogs are of pit bull terriers due to their bad reputation in dogfighting. Dogfighting is one of the main issues related with abuse in animals. Dogs are often starved and treated roughly, so they're more likely to attack others. Other major issues in mistreating animals include neglect, strong discipline, animal crushing, and blood sport. Often abusers commit a more major cruel crime later in their life. Reasons why some people abuse their pets may be because they're unintentionally hurting them due to lack of care, or harm the animal because it makes them feel powerful or the person enjoys it. A law was passed in 1966 to help prevent abuse.
Biddy doesn't know what laws exist to protect her, but from now on, her owners will have to. The Animal Welfare Act says keepers must have the time, money and resources to care for their pets, and that can be a tall order.
I don't think you should really have a puppy if you've got a full-time 9-to-5 job, because they really do need a bit more time spent with them. By the time me and my boyfriend are both working full-time, she'll be a lot older and I think she'll be able to be left for longer, so that's actually worked out really well, but it is hard.
Owners now have to be 16 or over and able to provide a suitable home and diet for their animals. Pets must also be protected from pain and injury and able to exhibit normal behaviour patterns. What animal lover could argue with that?
Awareness has been raised in schools and on television to teach everyone about how to care for your pets. Organizations such as ASPCA and the Humane Society are good educators and helpers of preventing animal cruelty. This inhumane act can be stopped if awareness is raised throughout the world. So try your best to treat your pets right and keep them safe.